Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 136. There was a unanimity of opinion by all the reformers present that organized playgrounds were indispensable in the education of children, and it was resolved to make a representation to the council and to ask it to introduce uniformity in this matter throughout the country. This resolution was singularly unfortunate as it was the cause of friction between these individuals and the council. Regular subscribers to the institution showed arrogance at the irregular practices, and many informed the board that they would withdraw their support if such irresponsible actions were allowed contrary to all the teachings of the past. We fear that no disinterested person was the informer in this matter, and probably he represented the circumstances to be more serious than they really are. The resignation of the secretary, however, will be demanded as his attitude amounts to insubordination, and this will cause the regret of all, no matter what their sensibility may be. The agenda of the next board meeting will be far from uninteresting, and an apparently irrecoverable position may be turned to the advantage of the institution. Full stop.